Good morning, friends. Many patients come to me with an MRI report which suggests that they have a grade 1 medial meniscus tear and they are a lot worried, and many people have advised surgery for them. So in this video I will explain you what is a grade 1 medial meniscus tear and what is its significance. So friends, usually grade 1 meniscal tear is a misnomer. Usually in an MRI, there is a MRI grading of a meniscal signals which is there. So there are three grades of meniscal signal: grade 1, grade 2 and grade 3. The grade 1 medial meniscal signals are a small focal hyperintensity in the triangular shadow of the meniscus. So normal the meniscus shadow is dark, it is a blackish shadow, and you will see a bright local focal hyperintensity, and this is called as a grade 1 meniscal signal. Friends, this is absolutely a benign lesion, and when we do an arthroscopy we will find the meniscus absolutely normal in these patients. These patients need not to worry, and they will not need any kind of a surgical intervention or any arthroscopic surgery with a finding of a grade 1 meniscal tear or a grade 1 meniscal signal. So don't be afraid, don't be worried, and in most of the cases you are fine and you don't need a operative intervention. Now grade 2 meniscal signal or a grade 2 meniscal tear as per the MRI means that you have a linear hyperintensity which is usually not reaching to the articular surface. This is also a very benign condition, and in more than 90% of patients it will be a normal arthroscopy finding when we go in with an arthroscope and look. 10% of these patients may have a meniscal tear when we do an arthroscopy. It is divided into three parts. Stage 2A, which is a linear hyperintensity and which does not reach to any of the articular margins. Stage 2B, which is a linear hyperintensity which may be doubtfully reaching to one of the articular margins in only one of the images, and grade 2C, which is a globular kind of a hyperintensity which is not reaching to the height of the either inferior or superior articular margins. Now if you have a MRI report that is suggestive of a grade 2 meniscal tear or a grade 2 meniscal signal, again most of these cases you are fine and you don't need a surgery. So if you have this finding reported on the MRI, 90% of the times you will not have a classical meniscal tear and you will be fine. In these patients we usually give a conservative trial, give medications and physiotherapy, and if you are not better with that, we might consider doing an arthroscopic procedure in these cases. But as I told you, arthroscopic findings or actual meniscal tear will be seen in only 10% of the patients who have these meniscal signals on the MRI. Now comes to the grade 3. Grade 3 meniscal tears or grade 3 meniscal signals are actual meniscal tears in which we will see some positive finding on the arthroscopic examination, and these will need an arthroscopic intervention. So friends, only if your MRI findings are suggestive of a grade 3 meniscal signal or a grade 3 meniscal tear, then only you will need some sort of an arthroscopic procedure. If it is grade 1 or grade 2 meniscal signals on the MRI reporting, you don't need to worry and you need to just relax and start your physiotherapy rehabilitation. Thank you.